Hello, today we have another Paint 3D tutorial. How to make a 3D duck, step by step. So let's start.
First, here, go and to canvas, and then uncheck show canvas. And then here, go to 3D library and search for duck, and then click on this animal body 06. Here I'm gonna customize this 3D model so it will look like a duck. We need a model first so we can know what is a duck and how it is and how it looks like. Let's go back to the 3D library and get a real 3D model of a duck. It looks pretty real. And then here we need to minimize the size because we're not going to do it anything. This might take some time. Here's it. So here, let's go to 3D shapes and can try to insert a 3D model or maybe this. Let's see it. Okay, let's activate the 3D view. And then here, let's put it right over there. And then here, let's change the X. That is a duck. Here in this color, okay, here, let's go to brushes and then the spray can and then choose the color, choose this color, start spraying. And here, let's choose this color. Here is it. Okay, here, oops, let's fix this. Just click on select. Okay, and then let's put this, fix it. And then here, you better click on Control A. Oops, just delete this duck. Or just press Control X. Press Control X. And then here, click on the duck and Control A and then Control G to group these two 3D models. And then here Control V to paste this real duck. And then here let's do something like this oil brush and choose the color to be this green. Let's try it. That is great. Okay, that is pretty great. Then here, let's make the legs. Here, just go to 3D shapes. And then here, this cube or the cylinder. I will use the cylinder. And change the color, of course. And here, and here, just Control C this, then Control V this. And then here, like I said, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's move this. This is pretty hard. Here, now. Oops, I forgot. There's another one. And then here. Okay. And here is insert. Of course, we can delete this normal duck. And then here, go to stickers. And then choose the eye. Put it here. And then use the stack. Okay, and here, this. And then check this. And here, this is how you make a duck in page 3.